Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to see about how you can add multiple users in the Linux, and you can set the password and what all the things you can do with users. Like we have users add, we have permissions, we have everything. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can add the users. Okay, so let me switch to my machine. This is my Amazon Linux machine working. I'm working on it. So if you want to add the user, suppose we are right now into the root. If you want to check with them, so we can check with the who am I. We are the root user, and if you want to check what all the files we have, this all the files contain. Okay, so what's the things if you want to add any users? So first of all, let's check that users exist or not. So from the ID, I want to add as a Tom users. Okay, let's suppose we are adding as a RAM. Okay, we are adding as a, so as such no users for the RAM is there. And if you want to check with the EC2 user is there, EC2 users, yeah, we have EC2 users. It's already have shown the ID for us. Okay, so like this, if you want to add some users, so user add, and if you would add the user as a RAM, just hit enter. So we have already successfully added and one user RAM. If you want to check with the ID if the RAM exists or not, yeah, before it was not showing as such user, we have created a new user as a RAM and it has been successfully created. And if you want to check if this user has been created, so you have to do nothing, you have to do just go to the cat and /etc/passwd. So it will show you the all the users you have RAM users, you have Tom users, you have Jack users. All these users has been you can see, and what all the permissions we have. We are going to talk about this thing in the upcoming videos, like what all the permissions you have, what all the things you have. This is root. We have 0, like this administrative access. You can edit this access and you can give 1, and if you want this RAM to be given as the administrative access as a root, so we can switch. We will go to talk about in this future. Right now if you want to check and if you want to set the password, so of the RAM there is a command passwd, and just for the we are providing for the RAM. Okay, so changing the password, I'm just providing with the password. So we have successfully updated with the token. If you want to again check, we have ID, we have, if you want to check with the passwd, yeah. And if you want to check what the password we have given for the RAM, we can go to the shadow file and you can check what all the passwords we have. So let me quickly, the password has been generated over here. So if you just need to do something, you just need to decrypt this and you will get the password of this person. Okay, so basically what's happened, we have seen about user adding. How like this you can add multiple users by the command user add. Okay, by user add you can add the multiple users, and by passwd you can assign the password to them. So in coming to the next part, so in Red Hat 9 in running on the AWS cloud computing platform as a virtual EC2 instance. So there are there's a 3 different ways to interact the OS. Okay, so first of all there is a GUI part. GUI part means like we are going this graphical part using the mouse part. Okay, first of all that the things come up is GUI part. This means graphical interface. Then second comes the CLI part, that means a command line interface, and third comes up with the web UI, that is web interface part. So in Linux we have multi-user facility to switch between consoles or virtual terminals. Okay, so I'm using right now as a EC2 instance, but if we are using as a virtual box, so if you want to go to the multiple different containers, so you just need to press left control plus alt plus F. So when you just hit enter, you will gonna switch to the new GUI terminal like F2, F3, F3. Like this, you can go into the virtual Oracle box you can use. But right now, most of the companies and most of the industries are working onto the AWS cloud and this cloud platform. If you don't as such require this terminal over there. Okay, and if you want to check all those terminals, we have GUI terminal. You can just check with the F2. You can just click to the F3. What all this, you will be shifting to the F2 terminal. You will be shifting you to the F3 terminal. Okay, from so F2 terminal is a GUI terminal you will get, and from F3 to F6, F3 to F6, you will get into the CLI terminals. Okay, all this happen. Now coming to the next part, if you want to quickly check with the date, what is the date? So from Linux, how you can check? You just need to write with the date command. So we will get with the date, and if you want to only see the month, what is the month? So there is a command plus percentage, and I just want to check with the month. What is the month? Only the Feb month we are going to do. So like this, there are the multiple operations you can see on the particular part. But right now, we are just, if you want to see the date, there is a certain simple command, only the date command you will get. And if you want the refers to the manual, okay, you can just refers to the manual of what all those the things they provide. So you can just do one thing. This is a command, man command. This man means manual of the date. So they provide you with all those certain parameters from -f, what happens from date command to print the C, from -u for like we have used percentage %h. Okay, this percentage %h same as the -b. What does the -b? Local abstract month name. Okay, so like this you can use the manual and use the, if you want to retrieve any certain amount day of the year, if you want to only the minute, if you want to do certain like this, you can use this manual and the man command. From this you can achieve this part. Okay, so alright guys, this thing about in the video. And one more last thing, if you want to check with the calendar, you can just run the cal command. As you hit enter, you will get the cal. Okay, and if you want to see the manual, same as the man and the cal, you will get the manual of the calendar command, and certain parameters you can pass. If you want to display only the Sundays, only the Mondays, if you want to display only the months, only the one. So like this you can go manually, and you can just check with the step by step all this approach. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment sections, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video.